Welcome back. You've just landed the world of amazing people and tools do the impossible. Get ready to be amazed? Let's get started.
If you're not too busy afterwards, would you like to grab lunch with me?
Yeah, of course.
Perfect. See you then.
Feels like this machine could crush anything that dares to stand in its way.
Satisfying interlocking removal.
That's what a successful onion season looks like. You can't help but be amazed when you see a beast of a machine like this rolling into action. Engineered for speed and power, it turns solid timber into chips in a blink. Feels like this machine could crush anything that dares to stand in its way. It's quite a sight, I'll give it that. But what's the real purpose behind it? An entire massive structure brought down in the blink of an eye. You'd never guess from the looks of it, but this tool really gets the job done. His control over that front-end loader is nothing short of remarkable. There's something oddly satisfying about that noise at it. Do it for you too? Even the toughest nail learns respect when this machine gets to work. Thanks to its smart design, shifting the divider is quick and doesn't require disassembly or disrupt traffic. Watching this, you'd think a magician was giving that old rug a second chance. With this trick, you'll end up with a hammer you can count on for decades. This one's in a league of its own. I'd be surprised if you've seen anything quite like it. With the right equipment, farmers don't have to work as hard or as long as they used to. Right here is the birthplace of world-famous wines that have stood the test of time. Great power is the result of unity. These tools make winter snow feel like just another day in the yard. If you can name what this plant produces, folks will know you're someone with real knowledge. If you can name what this plant produces, folks will know you're someone with real knowledge. A finish like this can really extend the life of your home's exterior. He finishes the task before you even realize he started. hard to believe, but I could honestly sit and watch them work for hours. That's one more guy who makes cleaning a carpet look like a magic trick. Stick around to the end. I have a feeling you'll want to give her a thumbs up. Every seasoned artisan will tell you quality isn't luck. It's built through meticulous care in every step. This kind of engine teardown takes real grit and elbow grease. With the right equipment, dismantling an old engine is a whole lot easier than it used to be. And just like that, a new product is finished and ready. Speed, power, and ease combined. This high-pressure sprayer is built to make your job easier. When it comes to CNC machines, you can't ignore the satisfaction they bring to those watching. Watching this man work, I simply couldn't look away. With this machine, you don't need experience to weld like a seasoned pro.
I hope these moments have helped you relax after a long day at work. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.